My light fixture is pouring water. It is coming out of my damn light fixture. The water has pulled up on my floor. You can see how bad it is at this point. This is ridiculous. I've told them about this for 2 damn weeks and they still haven't fixed it. I have water literally pouring out of my light fixture right now. You can see it. Look at this. Oh my God. This is Magnolia Court Apartments in Sacramento, California. I think moisture might have gotten on the lens there. That's better. I kind of put a towel down to try to soak it out, but hey babe, you want to give me a bucket?
Yeah.
This is just ridiculous. This place has the worst plumbing. It's ridiculous.